In this tutorial, we'll learn to use the starts with any and ends with any filters for searching by multiple keywords. For example, if we had a list of company names and we wanted to find all records matching with those company names, we would use starts with any, ends with any, or contains any filter conditions. These options will allow us to enter either comma-separated keywords or multiple keywords, one per line. Let's see how it works. Let's go to Approved Sources page and let's say we had a list of 10 companies and we wanted to see if those companies are in the database or not. Let's open the filters, add a filter, select company name, and starts with any condition. We'll see an input box to enter all of our keywords. Let's insert some examples we have and let the system find the matching ones with starts with option. If it doesn't find the ones we have searched, it will only show the matching ones. And the same with the other filter options. As you may have guessed, the other options, ends with any or contains any options will work as name implies. The ends with option will do match if keyword is found at the end of the company name. Contains any will do a match if keyword is found anywhere in the company name. These filters are global and work on all types of columns and not just company name columns. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.